Good morning, student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Now we are going to see grammar, chapter 8, tenses. Okay, listen. Do you like grammar? Okay, yes, I like it. Grammar is very important because when you speak in English, grammar is essentials and also you speak fluently. Okay, listen. The from of verb. Okay, verb that shows the time of action called the tenses. Okay, a from of verb, the from of a verb that shows the time of action is called the tenses. There are three main kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, each sentence, each tenses, okay, each tenses to four different forms: simple and continuous, third one perfect, fourth one perfect continuous. Okay, uh, we have 12 different tenses. uh, when shall deal here with the first five tenses only. Okay, first five: present simple, past simple, future simple, present continue, past continue. Okay, for example, first one, simple past: I studied English yesterday. Okay, simple past. Simple present: I study English. Simple future: I will study English. Okay, past continue. Past continue: I was studying English. Present continue: I am studying English. And future continue: I will be studying English. Then past perfect: I had studied English. Present perfect: I have studied English. And future perfect: I will have studied English. Then perfect past perfect continuous. Okay, I had been studying English. Present perfect continuous: I have been studying English. Then future perfect continuous: I will have been studying in English. Okay, next page number 42. Study the following sentence carefully. First one, we respect our teachers. Present symbol. Second one, we respected our teachers. Past symbol. Third one, we will respect our teachers. Future symbol. For example, present symbol, we use verb 1. The singular subject takes verb plus s or es. Verb plus s or es. Okay, present symbol. Next, past symbol, both for a singular plural subject. For example, he went to school daily. They went to school daily. Next, future symbol, we use will, shall plus verb. Okay, will, shall plus verb 1. For example, he will go to school daily. He will go to school daily. Second one, they will go to school daily. Next one, present continue. Present continue, we use is, am or verb plus ing. Okay, present continuous is, am or plus verb plus ing. Past continuous, we use was plus verb plus ing. Okay, now let's see book exercise C. Take page number 42. Test yourself. And Roman 1. Choose the correct words for each plant. First one, the sun shines in the sky. Second one, the stars shine at night. Third one, we go to school by bus. Fourth one, he goes to school by bus. Okay, next page number 43, Roman 2. Tell the tense of the verb in each sentence. First one, mother cooks food for us, present symbol. Second one, mother cooked, okay, cooked food for us, past symbol. Third one, mother will cook food for us, future symbol. Fourth one, the gardener waters the plant, present symbol. Fifth one, the gardener watered the plants, past symbol. Sixth one, the gardener will water the plants, future symbol. Okay, next exercise try and 2. Test yourself. Roman 3 and 4, page number 44. Roman 1 and 2. Okay. Next, chapter 9, adverb. Take page number 45. An adverb is word that tells how, when, or where. How, when, or where an action take of place. An adverb is a word that adds something more than meaning. Okay, more to the meaning of a adverb. An adverb can modify a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. For example, how. How did you? How did you? Sorry. How did you do it? I did it well. He did it badly. She did it slowly. Okay. Second one, when did you meet here? When did you meet here? For example, I meet here daily. She meet here yesterday. Okay. Next, where were you sitting? For example, he was sitting there. She was sitting inside. Okay. Some adverbs of common we use. How, when, where. How, adverb of manner. Okay. The adverb of manner tell us how to action. How the action took place, place or then manner is which it took place. Some adverb of manner. Okay. For example, easily, badly, sincerely, honestly. Next, adverb of time. Okay, when. Adverb of time point out time of an action and answer the question. For today, yesterday, daily, early, then, late. For example, he came to the school yesterday. They will complete the work today. Okay, then adverb of place. Where. Okay, place. Adverb of place indicate where the action took place and answer the questions. um, but some adverbs near, inside, outside, there, in, out, far, near. For example, children are away for a few days. Next, take page number 46. Formation of adverb from adjective. Okay. Most adverbs are formed from adjectives end in ly. Adjective sad, adverb sadly. Adjective safe, and adverb safely. Clear clearly, quiet quietly, blind blindly, clever cleverly, honest honestly. Okay. When two or more than two words act as an adverb. Adverb we call it an adverb phrases. For example, how did you eat? For example, he did it. He did it the wrong way. When did you meet her? For example, she met here the day before yesterday. Where were you sitting? He was sitting in the park. Okay, next page number 49. Adverb of frequency. Frequency, adverb of frequency. So the frequency of the action and answer the question. Action and answer the question. Um, how how often, never, sometimes, always, and hardly, usually, normally. Okay. These adverbs are placed before the main verb. Main verb or after the special verb. Okay. Main verb or after the special verb is, am, or in a sentence. For example, I always speak the truth. Okay. Next, take page number 47. Now let's see book exercise. Take page number 47. Roman 1. Underline the adverb in each sentence. First one, never. Underline never. Tell a lie. Second one, did he run fast? Fast underline. Third one, she does not live here. Here underline. Fourth one, do this work carefully. Carefully. Okay. Fifth one, the child cried bitterly. Sixth one, the boys talked loudly. Seventh one, I often help my friends. Eighth one, always speak the truth. Ninth one, she was absent yesterday. Next, take page number 48, Roman 4. Supply a suitable adverb for each blank. Okay. First one, Nancy sings sweetly. Second one, he would play fairly. Third one, do this exercise daily. Fourth one, she comes here often. Fifth one, the army fought bravely. Sixth one, the sun was shining brightly. Seventh one, the bus was running fast. Eighth one, they played the game well. Okay. Next students, Roman 2. Okay, Roman 2, 3 and page number 49. Test yourself 1 and 2. Okay. Next exercise, the try. Okay, student. Thank you.